describe this word without using any other words down there.
Hi guys, so today I'm going to the Jamaica Expo that's being held at the National Arena. I'm gonna take you guys with me to see what they have in store. I don't know if I'm gonna buy anything as yet, but I really just want to just look and see what they have and yeah, bring you along. So let's go.
We have a lot of meat over here. When you finish, you just go straight down, take the left, go through the tunnel, and go over the arena.
Okay.
And we have a small business over there, business, small loan government business, whatever you need.
Okay, thank you.
Check over here first.
If it likes when you're over here, configuration and other such things.
Do they get to drive?
Hey, not much. This is your business?
Yes, it is.
What? So what do you offer?
So we have a wide variety of all natural skincare here. So we have like the body creams, the scrub, the beard oil, serums, hair growth oil, and then we have like 18 different face and body soaps. If you want to try the body cream, you can. So these are the different scents. There's like 8 different ones. I'm gonna let you try my favorite.
Okay.
This is the Tahiti. So you know the typical body oil to moisturize and rejuvenate dry skin. So they all have the same consistency, it's just a scent for each that is different.
Oh, it smells nice.
Yes, it is.
How long have you had this business?
From 2019. Listen, somebody came to me at work the other day and was like, I saw you in the cleanup, where you went? And I said, yeah, it's work. And then I kind of separate the two if you get what I mean.
Yeah.
On Instagram, if you scan this barcode, it takes you straight to our website where you can see everything that we have available. We're located in Mandeville, deliver island-wide, and then the products are in different pharmacies and retail outlets island-wide.
Lovely.
Yes.
Lovely. Thank you so much. No problem. Hi.
Every day and stuff, but I would like to show you over here for
Sure. That's fine.
Flavored peanuts and peanut butter. So I have scotch bonnet, lime, and coffee. And for the peanuts, we have coffee, lime, scotch bonnet, and black coffee. So you know, if you're tired of the regular salted, unsalted, honey, roasted, nice agricultural mix.
Okay. What is this peanut butter made of?
Peanut butter. You can see roasted peanuts, honey, coconut oil, salt, sugar cane, molasses, scotch bonnet, and pepper powder.
Okay. How long have you been in business?
I've been in business for 2 years.
2 years. Okay. And where can you buy these? Jamaica?
Things Jamaica, Cardi's, Devonhouse, and at the airport.
Okay. Lovely.
Morning again, guys. Can I have a representative from Jamaica Bauxite Company?
Handmade?
All yes, all local made. Yes.
Where's your store located?
10 Lancaster Road, Burlington.
You have a card?
Get one.
You have left any of it?
I'm not sure I should tell you this morning. Coming along.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Hi.
How are you?
I'm good.
Amazing. Would you like to play a game with us?
Sure. What kind of game is it?
So are you familiar with charades and taboo?
Yes, I hate charades, love taboo.
Why do you hate charades? I it's yeah,
Okay.
it is and it's Jamaican. So and I know that you love taboo. We also have that aspect of it, such as Jamaican crossover.
Okay.
So I'm gonna let you guys go against each other. We'll start by rolling the dice. The color on the dice determines whether you say it or you do it. So just pick a color, green or yellow.
Green.
Green. All right. So you're gonna do it.
Oh no,
That's
that's the
I'm gonna
charades
give you yellow.
part.
Just
Okay.
for you. Okay. So you're gonna come up here.
Okay.
You're gonna describe this word without using any other words down there. If you use any of those words, you get the buzzer. It's not possible.
So she has to say everything.
Yeah.
What does a river do?
Red,
Another word.
flow.
There you go. That's it. This is your game.
How much money is it?
So it's actually 6,900, but it's kind of unique. It comes with 404 cards, the Dutch and the scorecard, as well as the dice.
Where can we buy these if we want to buy them?
You can get them in Fontana, Carby's, Things Jamaican. We're also on Amazon. The whole works in there. Thank you. Yes, but you know, they're gonna have their resale price, so it's 6,900 today.
Okay.
Yeah, but it ranges from about 8,550 up to 19,000.
Thank you so much.
Thank you so much for playing with us.
Thank you.
This conversation is DJ as the walkers.
Do you have it anywhere else? Or just the same?
Hello, these are samples?
Yes, we do. We have samples available for the sour chutney as well as our mango hot sauce.
Okay.
Would you like to try one?
Sure.
Which one?
You said hot sauce just now,
The
right?
owner.
Do you have non-hot sauce?
The sour chutney.
Yeah, let's try that one.
It's the dark one.
The dark one?
Yeah, the dark one.
Sweet. Where do you guys sell these?
We're located Boulevard Super Center, Devon House.
Thank you.
Thank you for your time.
Hi there.
Come on in, let's talk a little bit. So welcome to Island Products. Of course, you possibly know about Oxymaster.
I think I do.
Oh yes, so that's our flagship product. We want to tell you a little bit about the other items that we have.
Right.
You know we love to sing, right? You love to sing. Everything is dance and sing. So let's sing our song and we just talk about the products as we go along. Plate them dirty, pot them black. Island Products have something for that. Time for a mildew, miraculous pot. Island Products have something for that. Peter shoe smell like a dead rat. Island Products have something for that. The car very dirty, even the mat. Island Products have something for that. Clothes them dingy and the name of them a chat. Island Products have something for that.
It's a nice song.
Two very exciting products I want to tell you about. The first one is EcoMaster. It's a toilet cleaning powder. non-acidic, eco-friendly. So not only does it clean your toilet, but it also clean your brush and helps to maintain your drain. Our magic stuff. Now this is a cleaning paste. Again, everybody loves to cook. The problem is after we finish cooking to clean up. That is such a problem.
That's true.
The dishes we get through, but the pots, it is so hard.
It's a gummy paste.
Yes, it's a paste, and this is called Fresh Spring. So tell me what you think. You like it? All right. And tell me what you think of this one. You like them? But these are our liquid version, St. Boosters, that you use in your laundry. Made right here in Jamaica, tariff free. So, you know, these are some of our exciting.
That's great. Cassava? They're the same?
This is cinnamon and whole wheat, and this is.
Can I try this one?
Yes, no problem. I thought you were taking a picture. I said.
No, I was. I have it, man. I have it.
So this is the Department of Chemistry board. So we're promoting our undergrad and graduate programs. Are you interested in your PhD? So would you like it?
And we hope you like it. Because a lot of people are straying away from gluten and they want to make healthy choices. So,
Okay, this is the Department of Chemistry at UWI. We're trying to.
Alright, so do you like appleton barbecue sauce or sweet and spicy?
Spicy for me, barbecue sauce for her.
Appleton barbecue sauce. It's for you.
Thank you.
so what's S house? I don't know. You have an idea what S house it does? Okay, so we are under the.
Huh?
It's a Scotch is equal.
guys, so it's Gabby here. So I just showed you guys the Jamaica Expo. We went to a few booths, got a few things. I bought a daiquiri, a pina colada daiquiri mix from CPJ. It was about $1,100, very reasonable. I am a pina colada lover, so when I saw it at the discount, I had to buy it. There was a lot of free samples in the video. There was a lot of food, so we truly didn't have to buy food, but I decided to buy nuggets because I'm obsessed with nuggets. The food was delicious. I love the fact that the expo had a bunch of variety, a lot of booths to go to. I love that. But yeah, I'm home now. I'm gonna show you guys the stuff that I bought and the price that I paid for it. Right, so I bought this scent booster from Master Clean. So it came with two actually. So it's two for 500 Jamaican dollars, which is very reasonable. And then we did the spin the wheel thing and we got this for free. This is a toilet cleaner, very cheap. Like I said, I bought something from CPJ, which is this frozen daiquiri mix. I love pina colada, so I had to get this. Yeah, my mom bought some stuff and we walked the entire place, so it was really good. Definitely will see me there next year. Last but not least, I want to thank you guys for tuning into my channel. Thank you for your support. I will see you at the next event. Bye.